We're entering the Dong Scenic Area. Mark has to buy the tickets first to go in. And that must be the bridge straight ahead.
This one is the most famous one, also the oldest one.
The
it was built
Wind-Rain Bridge, is that
Wind-Rain Bridge. We also call it Windy and Rainy Bridge. Yeah, it was built 100 years ago in 1912.
1912.
Yeah, 1912.
Was it built for a particular reason?
Yes, right, yeah.
Just the Dong people, because it's their symbol?
That's their symbol. Yeah, like a drum tower.
They haven't harvested down here yet. The rice looks nice and golden. Rice on one side and tea plants on the other side.
Regarded as our city tree in Guilin, the same as the flower. They bloom once a year in autumn time, usually in October or the end of September, and last for 1 week. They are very sweet and fragrant and can be used to make a lot of things, such as perfume, soap, skin cream, cake, wine, and tea.
We saw the cake yesterday, right, in Ping An, those little tiny sweets that she made with the honey. Wasn't that from cassia?
Cassia, yes, right.
Yes.
When
Those are
received,
persimmons.
really
I don't
good.
care for persimmons, though.